All right, here goes. What's up, everybody? Been a couple weeks. Had a lot on my brain a couple weeks, past couple weeks, obviously. But I like, let's get back to having some fun. So y'all gonna watch me, help me learn how to dance, and I'm gonna try the Billie Jean dance from Michael Jackson. I know that's not a starter level thing, but we just gonna go there. I'm gonna let y'all know I'm a wannabe dancer. I got the heart of a dancer. I ain't got the moves just yet. So here we go. Day one. Day one. Day one. Hip thrust. Remember, this is day one. Remember this moment.